Hey guys, Matthew here, and we're back today with another episode for the Python learning program that I'm going through. So today we're going to be going through the next step, which we're on 35% right now. We've gone 35, woohoo. So today we're going to be doing Python lists and dictionaries, like last time I told you guys. So first, introduction to lists. Lists are a data type you can use to store a collection of different pieces of information as a sequence. Variable name. You can list with expression of the form list name equals item 1, item 2. So this is what it means with the zoo animals equals pangolin, cassowary, and sloth. Okay. Oh, okay. This is just okay. Okay, the list zoo animals has 3 items. Go ahead and add a fourth. Okay. So we're gonna add another one over here. And it's going to be, let's see. Let's do a giraffe. Wait. Let's just do a lion. Just get it over with. And then, just in a favorite animal. Actually, my favorite animal would probably be something like along the lines of a shark or a whale or a penguin. Go with whichever one. I don't really care. Favorite pet though is a cat, so I'll go with that. Your favorite animal as a string on line 1 after the final comma put but before the closing. So they just want me to do this. Oh, okay. That was kind of easy. Access by index. You can access an individual item on the list by its index. As an index is like an address that identifies the item's place in the list. The index appears directly after the list name in between brackets like this. List underscore name, brackets, and index in the center of those 2 brackets. List indices begin with 0, not 1. Always, it's always 0. You access the first item in the list like this, list name 0. The second item in the list would always index 1. Computer science love to start counting from 0. I think that someone just came up with this and they're like, oh, just 0. Write a statement that prints the result of adding the second and fourth items of the list. Make sure to access the list by index. Okay. Oh, so they just want hashtag your code here. Print oh, okay. Numbers brackets. Wrong brackets. Okay, and then it is 1 because it's 1 for 2. And then the next one is numbers brackets, and then it would be 3 because 3 is 4. Add another number on top to get the right number. Yep. New neighbors, a list of index behaves like any other variable name. It can be used to access as well as assign values. It's like this, okay. See how assignment works on line 5. Oh, okay. This is just assigning 2 equals hyena. Wait. Oh, so you're just changing it. They're just changing it along the way. It's the item that currently holds the value tiger with another animal as a string. It can be any animal you like let's just do like the female tiger and just make it funny. Just I know what to do. Wait, oh, that wouldn't work. I was about to do like Tigger because I just watched the Winnie the Pooh movie, but then I'll realize that Tigger is the same spelling as tiger, so I can't really do that. So we're replacing tiger, so it's a 3 equals. Let's go. Let's go with cheetah. I hope I spelled that right. I don't think it really matters. A list doesn't have to have a fixed length. You can add items to the end of a list anytime you like. Okay? Letters dot append d print len letters length letters print letters. What's append? I don't remember. You like. Okay. Oh, okay. Then we add the string D to the end of the letters list. Next, we print out for the length of the letters list. Oh, okay. Finally print out A, B, C, D. Okay. On lines 5, 6, and 7, append 3 more items to the suitcase list, just like the second line of the camera above. What? Example above, my bad. Append sunglasses suitcase dot append camera enter suitcase dot append and let's just do like iPhone. You know what? I don't want to be criticized for spelling that wrong. It's just gonna make it seem weird. So let's do a computer or a laptop. And then last one, I almost messed up here because I put a T instead of a D, apparently. So, and of course you need clothing. So, list length equals, set this to the length of the suitcase. What do you mean? List length equal to the length of the suitcase list. Oh, okay. Add list next time, because that made me think I was supposed to do some math. Equal to length of suitcase. Okay. Run. Okay, that's right. Okay. Sometimes you only want to access a portion of the list. Consider the following code. Slice equals letters 1 and 3. Print slice. Okay. First create a list called letters. Okay, I understand. As long as you have this in there. List. On line 7, create a list called middle. Middle, okay. Containing only the 2 middle letters from suitcase. 0, 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3. I believe that's what they did. Yeah, 2 and 3. Only 2 middle turn items from suitcase. On line 10, create a list called last. Made up of only the last 2 items in the suitcase. So that's this, and then 4 and 5. 4, 5. Wrong. There we go. That's that. Oh God. Oh, okay. We have to put suitcase in front of this. That's why that's wrong. There we go. That's still wrong, apparently. 0 and 2. That is so weird. Why is the first... Why is it 2 then? Why is it like that? 2, 0, 2, 2 and 4, 4 and 6. Just saying that doesn't... In between 2 and 4? Like first 2 and middle 2, the one in the between? Is that what it means? Oh. No wonder. It's like include the first, exclude the second. So it's in between kind of thing. Okay, next. Like a list. In fact, you can think of strings as lists of characters. Each character is a sequential item in the list, starting from index 0. Grabs the first 2 items, grabs the fourth through last items. Okay. If your list slice includes the very first or last item in the list or a string, the index for the item doesn't have to be included. Okay. Assign to dog a slice of animals. Okay. Animals. How much? 3 up until but not including 6. So 3 thing and then 6. Because apparently that's what it is. Then assign frog a slice of animals from index 6 until the end of the string. So it's 6 and then on. That's what that means. Yay! Firstly, create a list called animals with 3 strings. Then we print the first index that contains the string bat, which will print 1. Okay. You can also insert items into the list. We insert dog. at index 1, which moves everything down by 1. Okay. Index of duck. Assign that result to a variable called duck underscore index. Then insert dot insert. Oh, okay. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, use dot index item function to find the index of duck. Assign the result to a variable called duck underscore index. Okay. So print animals duck index. Okay. Wait. Does it want my duck stuff to be up here? Let's see if this is up here. So duck dot index. Wait. Oh wait, no. It's animals dot index. Index duck. And then Control C, Control V, back. And then this one is the next one, which would be dot insert, and then this one's like animals dot insert. Where does it want it? At that index. At that index. Okay. So duck would be 2. So 2 comma cobra. Okay, let's see if that works. Did I do it wrong? It moved duck to where duck should be. So do I say print? What? Oh, okay. You can, okay, that means you can just fit this in to where duck is exactly instead of figuring out what number it is. You don't have to figure it out the numbers. Okay. If you want to do something with every item in the list, you can use a for loop. If you're learned about for loops in JavaScript, pay close attention. They're different in Python. For variable in list name. Do hashtag do stuff. A variable name follows the for keyword. It will be assigned the value of each list item in turn. Then in list name designates list name as list the loop will work on. The list ends with a colon, and the indented code that follows it will be executed once per item in the list. Write the statement in the indented part of the for loop that prints a number equal to 2 times number for every list item. For loop indented your code here. Okay, so what? I just write number equal to 2 times something. 2 times number. 2 times number. Run. Oh. Print. Yay, okay. I was supposed to be printing something. Okay. I didn't get the memo. If your list is a jumbled mess, you may need to sort it. Okay, command. You need to sort it. Animals equals this. Animals dot sort for animal in animals. Print animal. First, we create a list called animals. 3 strings. Strings are alphabetical order. Are not in alphabetical order. Then we sort animals alphabetical order. Then return to a new list. Okay. Actually, it's weird. Then for each item in animals, we print the item as ant, bat, cat on their own line each. Write a for loop that iterates over start list and appends each number squared x times 2 to square list. Okay. Your code here. Okay. Write a for loop for that iterates over start so what are we doing? So we're doing start underscore list and square underscore list, and then this one's print x times 2 like that. Oh wait, square list equals okay, let's see how they do it because I can't figure out how they want it. Okay, for number in start list. Okay, they decided on a new variable. Pin number square list dot sort. Okay. Okay, so that's how they use a pin to sort this. Okay, next one. A dictionary is similar to a list, but you access values by looking up a key instead of an index. A key can be any string or number. Dictionaries are enclosed in curly braces like so. D is key 1 as to 1, key 2 as to 2, key 3 as to 3. A string or number. Dictionaries are enclosed like so. Oh, okay. This just tells you the computer what something is. So this is a dictionary called D with 3 key value pairs. The key 1 points to the value 1, key 2 to 2, and so on. Dictionaries are great for things like phone books, pairing a name with a phone number, login pages, and more. Print the values stored under the sloth and Burmese Python keys. Accessing dictionary values by key is just like accessing list values by index. Residence puffin hashtag gets the value 104. Check the hint if need help. Your code here. Print the value stored under the sloth and Burmese Python. Okay, so print residence sloth. I wonder if I can do a comma here and do another one to cut down on it. Space Burmese Python. Okay, let's see if this works. If it doesn't, I will do it in 2. Okay, I'll do it in 2. Control C, Control X. And then print residence Control V, and then delete, and then run. There we go. Okay. Like lists, dictionaries are mutable. This means they can be changed after they are created. One advantage of this is that we can add new key value pairs to the dictionary. After it is created like so. Dictionary name key, new key equals new value. Okay. An empty pair of curly braces is dictionary, just like an empty pair of this is an empty list. Okay. The length alien of dictionary is the number of key value pairs it has. It wants, even if value is a list. You can put lists inside dictionaries. Okay. Add at least 3 more key value pairs to the menu variable with the dish name as a string for the key and the price, a float or integer as the value. Here's an example. Menu spam equals this. Okay. These 3 more key value pairs to the menu. Your code here. Okay, so menu let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, so what do you got? Let's decide. So let's do like pancakes. Is equal to, let's say, like $9.99. I don't really care if that's expensive or not. Menu. Let's do burger. And let's do that for like $6.49. And then let's do another one that is fries, which is Let's just do it as like 2.43. So I think this is that. Okay. Okay, there we go. Changing your mind. Because dictionaries are mutable, they can be changed in many ways. Items can be removed from the dictionary with the delete command. Delete dictionary name, key name. Okay. We'll remove the key name and its associated value from the dictionary. A new value can be associated with a key by assigning a value to the key like so. Value. Like what we learned a little bit ago. Delete the sloth and Bengal tiger items from zoo animals using delete. Set the value associated with rock hopper penguin to anything other than Arctic exhibit. Okay. Okay. Delete zoo underscore animals. What's the key name we're after? Sloth. Delete zoo animals. Bengal tiger. Duh. Okay. And then it wants us to last but not least dictionary name, which is zoo animals. Key, which is gonna be rock hopper penguin is equal to Arctic exhibit, and this is going to be smaller ones so that we don't mess that up. Tent puffin Arctic exhibit. Anything other than the Arctic exhibit, so no. That's why it's wrong. So let's go with I just saw the cotton candy house. That's really, really stupid. Jungle house. What is the difference between the jungle house and the rainforest exhibit? The exact same thing. Okay, remove a few things. Sometimes you need to remove something from a list. Beatles.remove. This is like the adding thing that added it to it. This is just deleting it from it. Okay, remove dagger from the list of items stored in the backpack available. I almost thought this was a microphone thing, Minecraft thing. And then I saw a xylophone, and then I saw like tent. And I was like, that's not really in Minecraft unless you find them. Unless you're able to put a mod on it. So let's get back to it. So we're removing it. So we're gonna be backpack dot remove brackets, and it's gonna be one apostrophe, and then we're moving dagger, and that's what all I wanted to be. Okay, last one for today. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. Let's go over a few last notes about dictionaries. My dictionary equals this. Fish, cash, luck is good. Print my dictionary fish 0. Okay, in the example we create a dictionary that holds many types of values. The key fish has a list, the key cache has an integer, and the key luck has a string. Okay. Finally, we print the letter C, which we access when we access a value in the dictionary, like my dictionary fish. We have direct access to that value, which happens to be a list. We can access the item index 0 in the list stored in the fish. Okay, that's why it's like that. Okay. Add a key to inventory called pocket. Inventory. Let's add one. Enter. So what we need is one called inventory. And it's going to be called pocket. Oh wait, no, it's called pocket. That's what it is. Okay, pocket. There we go. Okay, so call pocket, set the value of pocket to be a list consisting of the strings, a list, which is going to be brackets of seashell, shell, comma, what's the next one? Strangeberry, and the last but not least, the lint. So that's that. Now dot sort the items list stored under the backpack key. Okay. I hope that's how I was supposed to do it, but wait a second. Isn't it attend or something like that? It's fine. I put it in there. So let's just dot sort. So what a dot sort is like inventory backpack dot sort like that. So that should be it. Okay. Adding a key. Oh, okay. So this is how you do it. Instead of my way, it just showed it to us. Okay. Let me copy this. And let's put it here so it's inventory. This, and then it is pocket, and then it is equal to Control V, and then back up on all that. So that should be it. And then get rid of that. Okay, so got that. Done with that. Then dot remove dagger from the list of items stored under the backpack key. Inventory. Backpack. Dot remove dagger. Okay. And add 50 to the number stored under the gold key. So it's inventory gold equals plus, I think it's plus and equals, right? I think so. Plus and equals and then 50. Okay. I think that's right. Yay, I got it. Okay, that was right. Plus and equals. So it's plus, it's adding on to what it is equal to. Okay, that's what it means. Thanks, you guys. That's it for today. And see you later next time. Bye.